The Clarendon police are challenging themselves to further reducing crime in 2026. For the second consecutive year, the parish recorded fewer than 100 murders. Head of the Clarendon Police Division, Senior Superintendent Shane McCalla, has set an ambitious target to keep major crimes below 50 for 2026.
Let's remember the mission for 2026. Mission Sub-50. And Pastor Richards, each Sunday, every day when you fast, when you pray for us, remember that's the mission we're defending again. Yeah. To keep murders under 50 and to reduce all major crimes in the parish of Clarendon.
The Clarendon police recorded 41 murders in 2025 and 69 murders in 2024. There have been no reported murders in Clarendon since the start of the year. However, as at January 17, there were 2 reports of shootings, 1 reported rape, 4 robberies and 6 break-ins. It represents a 1% decline compared to the similar period in 2025. Outgoing Area 3 Commander ACP Calvin.
Within the first 16 days, Area 3, we have removed 10 illegal guns from the streets of criminals. We have, and that is coupled with over 150 rounds of ammunition. St. Elizabeth has recovered 4 of them. Manchester has recovered 4, and Clarendon recovered 2 so far.
They were speaking at the Clarendon Divisional Church service earlier today.